Hello, my name is Dawn Grossenbacher, and today I would like to demonstrate my ability to use Evernote. Here you can see I opened the Evernote app. I have a notebook with an inbox, 2018 goals, agendas, an area for a project, so within these notebooks, I created the two here. After that, I also created some tags. So the 2018 goals is a way to tag an item so it goes into the right category or folder. This becomes easier when you're using the app a lot because then materials automatically go into these categories so you don't have to worry about recategorizing them later. I have an appointment here. This was a dentist appointment that I had. A fun event. This is an example of an event that I went to. And this was a meeting that I had. So this is how you create the tags that belong to the notes. And going back up here, I have a clipped web page. This was marked because I wanted to join the ASTD, which I did after I selected this and did more research. So I did keep all these appointments when I did start this notebook. So this concludes my screencast in Screencast-O-Matic, demonstrating my competency of using Evernote, where I created my notes, my two notes, or notebooks, 5 notes within those 2 notebooks, my clipped web page, and the highlights and tags that are within them. Thank you for listening.